Guys, we're about to do the most disgustingest thing I think we have ever done on Burping Girls.
Except we're not burping.
Well, we are burping, but this is pretty nasty. Combinations we have: yogurt and popsicle, hot sauce and lemon cookies, peanut butter and pickles, ranch and fruit things, ketchup and popsicle, banana and steak sauce, strawberry and cheese, Pop-Tart and cream cheese, waffles and cheese. Frozen waffles. Not even good combinations. This is disgusting. Okay. I'm sorry you have to see this. Let's put you somewhere. Okay, is that good of you? This? Yeah, okay. Nasty.
They can see it?
I think so. I'm sorry, people. But yeah, they can see
Wait,
something.
I'm gonna block your view for a second. Yeah. How about this?
Or we're gonna put you on the table. Never mind. We didn't really prepare for this. That's nasty. Do you see what we're about to put in our mouths just for the sake of you guys? And your views? You're doing ketchup and popsicle. I'll do yogurt and popsicle.
I'll do the
hot sauce and that. I'll do the peanut butter and pickles.
I'll do cheese and strawberries and the.
I'll do the cream cheese and Pop-Tarts.
They can't see the food, but they can see our faces. So we'll have to get a bit closer to show them that we're actually eating it.
This is disgusting, guys. I'm sorry, you have to see this.
Okay, who's going first? I'll go first with this.
And then I'll do the Pop-Tarts.
Okay.
Wait, can I?
English lemon tea.
Thank you.
Tapatio sauce. Oh, they stick it back to you? Wait.
Because I can see in the mirror. Hi, guys. Here you go. This is about to be the most disgusting thing we're about to do in our entire Burping Girls video. Exploration of the disgusting. Ew.
Lemon cookie. Can you have a lemon cookie for me? Tapatio. I love Tapatio.
If you get Tapatio on my hand, I'm going to kick your ass. I mean, butt. Don't say bad words, children. They're disgusting. Okay. Show them. Hot sauce, lemon cookie. Wait, we need water.
No, I don't.
We need water for the nasty taste. Wait.
What nasty taste?
Entertain them.
Ow! Boo-boos. See that?
Ate it.
I ate it.
Is it good?
I think yeah.
Okay.
It's like hot and then a lemony.
It was nasty. Okay. I guess it's my turn. This is getting so nasty, guys. Can't believe I'm doing this. Pop-Tart.
Oh, chocolate fudge.
Pop-Tarts. Chocolate fudge Pop-Tart. And strawberry cream cheese. Strawberry. Okay. Scoot this crap over. Opening cream cheese.
Strawberry cream cheese.
Same thing. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Okay. Opening Pop-Tart. We're gonna be breaking a piece of Pop-Tart. Give me that. Dip it.
I don't know say anything about that. That's nasty.
Oh my god, make me throw up.
Alright, well she did her part. Next is this and this. Scoot over. Please. You wanna see me?
Yeah.
Alright. banana. Peel it. She's gonna peel it.
Steak sauce.
Not a lot.
It's just gonna like drip. Okay, lift it up so the camera can see. Wait, it would just you have water. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did you do? America, this is not cool. This is nasty.
I'm gonna finish eating banana.
Cheez-It and waffles.
You should do that.
Cheez-It, frozen waffles. I think there it goes.
Frozen waffles.
Frozen waffle.
You see the flakiness on it?
White cheddar Cheez-It. Okay. Handful of Cheez-Its. There's 5 in my hand. Okay.
Oh, it's so dry. Oh. Okay. Well, it seems like she survived this round. Okay.
If you just sit right there, they can see you.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cheese. I believe that it is Kraft.
Yeah, crafting a little sliced American cheese. And strawberries. I am going to put some on the cheese and fold it like a taco.
Ew.
There you go for burping girls.
Make a burrito.
Wait a little. Big size.
1, 2. You just shove it in your mouth.
Holding.
Stop.
Okay, well, come on.
Nasty?
Worst combination ever.
Everything sounds good. Chocolate and strawberry sound good. Okay. Are you done? Popsicles. And,
Yogurt.
you had to give me peach?
Harvest peach.
Peach yogurt. Woo. Let's open this bad boy up.
That one looks like the greatest one to eat.
I don't like peaches.
Oh, I said it's such a new.
I just broke my popsicle.
I guess I'm gonna do this. What? I'm doing this on this one. Since you do that one.
Yeah. Is there any more? No, because you have 2 left. I have 2 left. Okay. We didn't really plan this, guys. We just
Decided to do it.
spoon of yogurt.
To do this.
Popsicle. That's not a good combination. Ugh.
Let me try it.
Don't do that.
I mean, it's
What?
nasty.
I'll just finish this popsicle because I love popsicles.
Okay, well. My turn again. Ranch. Dressing. And Curious George fruit flavor snack.
It's not a commercial.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is
I want one of those actually. May I have one before you devour them in ranch? Most delicious thing I ate already. Open it! Nigga? If we can't get this ranch open, I'm gonna be really mad.
you know what? Oh, she's gonna work on opening the ranch, and I'll just start on my next one, and I'll do that one last. Okay, this one is ketchup and popsicle. This is disgusting.
This is not fucking easy to open.
I'll take a gulp of this popsicle, and then I'll put some ketchup in my mouth.
Ugh. It got on my pants. Lick it. Lick it. There's ketchup on my foot. Nasty. It's on my foot.
Okay, that one does not count because I didn't get to.
There's a towel again. Give me a towel.
Wait, that one did not count because I did not
I
get
hate the smell of ketchup.
Okay.
Fuck is ranch?
Okay, now that is the worst.
And then you get that after. There's ketchup all over that. There's ketchup all over that. I can't get it open. So I guess we'll just do mine. Oh. Goobers, peanut butter, and pickles.
Oh, wait.
And this is the peanut butter and jelly.
Goobers.
I can't believe I'm about to do this.
That looks disgusting. I would not do that. Well, it's mainly because I hate pickles. Oh,
Smell.
seriously, I hate pickles. I will not eat them.
Okay.
Even for $10.
Goober. Pickle.
Oh.
The texture of that is just. Well.
Oh. Finally, it's the ranch in those thingy-majiggies.
Oh.
Wait, am I gonna put those in my mouth and get some ranch in it? Or?
Did you get the white cappy thingy off?
Yeah.
Squeeze it. Oh. Chew, 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 chew. Skeet, 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 skeet. Water. Want peanut butter? Swallow it.
Just stuck in my teeth.
Peanut butter?